this video, I want to talk about cleaning up after you're done working with the Bomar horizontal bandsaw. So we've made all of our cuts. We're ready to move about in our project. We want to make sure that the feed ram is locked. We'll lift the head back up. We'll take the brush and we'll clean all of our chips out of the vise, out of the slide for the vise, and will help encourage all of the chips to be cleaned up and put into the trash can. And then if you walk around this side, most of the coolant will stay on this side of the machine. You can see back here there's a bunch of chips, so we'll try and clean those into a pile to dispose of, and then encourage this coolant back into the tank. We just want to get this table nice and clean so that nobody knows that we were here. They'd think we cut wood if we were coming into the shop. Nobody knows the difference. We're going to leave the head down, and then we're going to return it back to 90 degrees to the fence here if we were cutting angles, so that when the next guy or gal comes in, that it's set to 90. Leave the saw in, or the saw ram, the feed ram in a closed position, so if somebody picks it up, it doesn't automatically fall and potentially pinch them. And then I like to just hit the e-stop, just so if we can mitigate any accidents, we can. And that's about it. We'll also take any drop pieces and we'll just place them in a bucket so that they can be taken to the recyclers or used for somebody else's project.
What about sweeping up? How do you sweep up the metal?
So we'll just use the little brush and we'll get all the chips into a pile, and this side doesn't see a whole lot, and then we'll just take a dustpan and then we can put those chips in the trash can to dispose of.
And the dustpans are over here?
And the dustpans are just located over here as well. A little tedious of a job, just try and keep as much coolant as we can and still get rid of the chips. And we have some rags standing by around the shop should we need to clean up any mess. Just chips in the trash.